Hey, bro! Did you know? The marine iguana is the only lizard in the world that can live in the ocean. This unique reptile is found only in the Galapagos Islands. They dive into the sea to eat algae and can survive cold water by slowing down their heart rate. When swimming, their flat tail works like a fin, making them excellent divers. And here's the craziest part. Marine iguanas actually sneeze salt. They expel excess salt from their bodies through their noses. They may look fierce, but marine iguanas are actually calm and pretty lazy. Truly one of the most unique reptiles on the planet. If you love cool animal facts like this, don't forget to like and follow for more amazing content.